Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Challenger. Rated most appealing midsize sports car by J.D. Power and Associates, the Dodge Challenger delivers on style and performance. It's powerful, practical, and efficient, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, driver convenience group, four-wheel disc brakes, ventilated front seats, power sunroof, HD radio, Sirius satellite radio, tachometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.